This is Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and most remote continent on Earth. It is a land of extremes, where the temperature can drop to -90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ice can be miles thick. It is a place of beauty and desolation, where the elements rule supreme and only the most hardy of creatures can survive. Of all the animals that make a home here, none are more well-loved than the penguin. Penguins are fascinating creatures. These aquatic birds are found mostly in cold climates, primarily in Antarctica and the oceans and coasts of the southern hemisphere. There are about 18 different species of penguins, each with their own unique characteristics and behaviors. One of the most iconic characteristics of penguins is their black and white plumage. This coloring serves as specialized camouflage in the water, known as countershading. It helps them blend in with the sea and avoid predators. From above, the dark feathers blend in with the dark water. From below, their white bellies help them blend into the bright sky. Famously flightless, penguins also have webbed feet and a streamlined body, making them excellent swimmers. In fact, the fastest penguins can reach speeds of up to 22 miles or 35 kilometers per hour in the water. But penguins are not only skilled at swimming, they are also great divers. Penguins have been recorded diving up to 1,800 feet, or more than half a kilometer below the surface in search of food. They primarily feed on fish, krill, and other marine life. Penguins have adapted to hunt in the water, using their strong bills to catch their prey and eat it while swimming. On land, penguins are also known for their impressive social skills. Some of the most social of all bird species, penguins live together in large colonies. They use vocalizations, body language, and gestures to communicate with each other. South Georgia Island is a remote, inhospitable island located in the South Atlantic Ocean. Despite its harsh climate and rugged terrain, it is home to a rich array of wildlife, including a large population of king penguins. King penguins are the second largest species of penguin, after the emperor penguin. They have a distinctive black and orange marking, with a yellow patch at their neck and golden yellow patches on their head. Like the larger emperor penguins, king penguins do not build nests. Instead, they incubate their eggs on their feet, using a fold of skin called a brood pouch to keep the egg warm. Their chicks are born with a coat of dense, fluffy feathers called down, which helps to keep them warm in the cold. Once they are old enough, the chicks will molt and their down will be replaced with adult feathers. Until then, the chicks are dependent on their parents for food and protection from predators. As they grow and develop, the chicks will gradually become more independent and will eventually leave the nest to fend for themselves. Unlike king penguins, most species of penguins will build some sort of nest. Some are no more than a shallow indentation scraped in the ground. Some will dig burrows. Others will make little nests of rocks and vegetation that they can find on the ground. Most species of penguin are monogamous and establish long-term bonds. To keep these bonds strong, penguins may engage in elaborate mating dances, fluffing up their feathers and vocalizing to attract a mate. In some species, the male presents the female with a pebble or other object as a gift. Once they have chosen a partner, they will build their nest together using rocks, feathers, and other materials. In species that nest, the female penguin typically lays 2 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating for about 6 weeks. When the chicks hatch, the parents take turns feeding and caring for them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Once the chicks are old enough, the parents will form a creche, or group of chicks. The parents take turns leaving the nest to forage for food, leaving the chicks in the care of other adults. This allows the parents to have enough food to feed their chicks and also protects the vulnerable chicks from predators. Despite their impressive abilities, penguins are facing threats from climate change and human interference. Global warming is causing ice to melt, which impacts penguin habitats and their access to food. Overfishing and pollution also pose a threat to penguin populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these beloved birds. Some initiatives include creating protected areas for penguins to nest and forage, monitoring penguin populations, and educating the public about the importance of preserving their habitats. Despite the challenges they face, penguins remain beloved and iconic. Penguins may be small, but they are mighty creatures that deserve our admiration and protection. Their unique adaptations and social skills make them a truly fascinating species. It is important that we continue to protect and conserve their habitats to ensure their survival for generations to come.